Hey, how's it going? My name is Mark Pelusovic, and you're wondering should I major in accounting? And I'm not gonna. This video isn't designed to tell you what to do. It's more designed to give you my experience of it because I would be completely obnoxious to tell you what to do because I don't know who you are. I don't know what your strengths are. I don't know what you're interested in. So I'm just gonna give my experience of it because I studied accounting for 3 years, and I just didn't like it just because I found out because I got started with accounting. I chose accounting because people told me, "Hey, you're good at math, accountants make good money. Why don't you learn to become an accountant?" So I started majoring in accounting, and then I started going through it, seeing what it was all about, and I recognized that in order to make more money, I would need my CPA, which was another year of schooling, and I realized that it was just something I didn't like. I didn't have fun studying it. I didn't like the idea of balancing other people's books, of balancing other people's finances. I figured I could be more happy doing something else. So then I switched to finance, and I did a year in that, and I didn't. And then I had a couple credits that I needed to graduate, and the classes weren't being offered for like another year. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get out of here. I was tired of being in college, and I just switched to business with 3 years experience in accounting and a year in finance, and I graduated with a business degree. And then I went out and did nothing looking for a job because not that I didn't think I could or didn't think I could find one, but I realized that I don't want to do something for the rest of my life that I don't love doing, that I don't even like doing. It's not really necessary to really love what you're doing, but you have to at least like what you're doing. And I never liked the idea of, I started realizing at least that I didn't like the idea of having to work for someone else and limiting my growth, limiting my belief, limiting my worth, limiting my income. And that's exactly what happens when you start working for someone else. You see that the whole reason why I don't want to tell you what to do, because there's nothing wrong with working for someone else, and not everybody should work for themselves, but at the same time not everybody should work for someone else, because everyone's telling me just go get a job, Mark, just go do this, because 90% of our population does exactly that. They work for someone else. So it's no knock on everybody, but I have some confidence in myself and some belief in myself that I can learn to do some of the same things that these people are learning, because I see stories all the time of different people who aren't the smartest, aren't the brightest, but they make great money. And it's not all about the money, but it's the idea of creating the lifestyle that you want, creating the life that you want for yourself and your family, and being someone who doesn't have limiting beliefs, so you can grow up and have kids or whatever, and you don't have to tell them to limit themselves, so you can tell them to think big. And that's truly the best way to experience life. Either way, I mean, like they say, the saying goes, if you shoot for the moon, you're going to reach the stars. So it's not, a lot of people are like, yeah, but if you do this, then you're going to get disappointed when you don't make it. That's just very scarce-minded to me. It's better to look at it, hey, I'm going to reach this. If I don't get it, I'm going to get pretty close. I'm going to get pretty decently close to that. So I'm going to be happy with that, because I'm going to learn how to be happy in my life, and I'm going to learn all aspects of my life, not just this one certain thing and doing one certain thing every single day and going through the motions every single day, but learning how to improve my life on all aspects, so I truly have a great life, one that I'm excited to wake up in the morning, not one where I'm dreading waking up and being miserable going to my job or going to whatever it is that I'm doing. To be extremely passionate about what you do for a living is extremely important. That's exactly what I found with this internet business that I'm about to show you right below this video. Just take a look at the link right below. It should say hbl.nxt-school.com. It's going to take you to a free report I created for you that shows you 7 essential ideas to build a home business from anywhere in the world. And you're also going to have the chance to access a video my partners have created sharing exactly what our business is, how it works, why we believe it's the best of the best in the home-based business industry. Either way, I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video. Hopefully it was valuable to you. Hopefully you get a better understanding of maybe what you should be doing in your future, and really figuring out what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, and if this is something for you. If you're willing to take a risk, if you're willing to go in the unknown and figure things out, then this is definitely something that's for you. So take a look at it if that's you. If not, there's no problem, no worries here. Definitely good job of, seeking out information and being humble enough to ask questions. I think that's extremely important in life for anybody to create whatever life that is that they want, is to be humble enough to ask other people questions and figure out the answers before they, like Warren Buffett says, It's true that people should learn from mistakes, but it's better to learn from other people's mistakes. So hopefully this video helped you realize some of the mistakes I made and can help you make a decision based on what it is that you want and what your strengths are, and so you can go out and create the life that you want to create. Either way, thank you once again for taking time to watch this video, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon.